Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I installed this glueless wig. No glue involved whatsoever, so it's really not even an install. I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys how I styled it, and this very cute butterfly braid style with these curls that also came pre-curled into the hair. So we just gonna get all into the details of this wig, but before we can, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, if you subscribe, you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. All the links on this hair will be listed down below. Thank you Tinashe Hair so much for sponsoring this video, and let's just go ahead and hop right into it. All right, so y'all, let's just go ahead and install this glueless wig from Tinashe Hair. So this is exactly how it came out the package. As y'all can see, let me take off this white so y'all can see. The knots are super small. They kind of look a little bit pre-bleached, but I'm not sure. I will double check. So this is how it looks. The lace is pre-cut. It has the elastic band on the inside. So I'm just gonna snap this thing on. Okay, so this is where we're at. Once I put it on, it already is pre-curled, but I am gonna touch up the curls just a bit. And of course I gotta fix this up because honestly, it ain't looking how I want it to be looking. So first thing I'm gonna do is part a middle part. And then I'm gonna use a little wax stick and some hairspray, and I'm gonna just flatten this wig out. That's super important if you want your wigs to look natural. You wanna just go in with a little bit of product and a hot comb, and then you wanna go ahead and flatten it out. There's a lot of parting space on this unit, so I can part it all the way back if I want, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna take a little bit, oh my god, this wig, I promise y'all it's gonna come together. Just stay with me, okay? Put a little got to be on it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of makeup on this hairline because it is just a little bit too light for me. So I'm just gonna put some powder all around the front of this lace. All right, now it's time to assess these curls. So I'm really just gonna only touch up the front of the hair while the back of the hair is pretty curled. I just need to fix this part. So what I'm gonna do is cut a few layers in the front. I'm just gonna comb it out first, and then I'm gonna start cutting some layers. And I'm gonna use my shears to do so, and I'm just gonna gradually cut down the hair. I'm gonna take my curling iron, this is a babyless one, and I'm gonna just put the barrel curls that was in here. I'm just gonna put them back just because I combed out this front piece. I just wanted it to be more of a bang. I'm gonna just take my barrel and I'm just gonna start curling the hair to go away from my face.
Shit, because I'm just some girl who doesn't know what she wants, and you have a path, and you're going to be great, and I'm going to be forgotten, and therefore you won't be able to give me the time of day because you have bigger things to pursue.
That's exactly my point.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in high.
So while I'm letting this set, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And like I said, I'm only curling the front since the back of the hair is pretty still nice and curled up.
Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
Now that I have curled both sides, I'm just gonna go ahead and start to comb out these curls.
You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but no, I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just put a braid in here. I just wanna make it a little bit more cute and girly, so I'm just gonna put a little braid in here, and I'm gonna distress it to make it look like a fishtail braid, or I think they call it like a butterfly braid, but whichever one. So I'm just gonna start braiding. Then now what I'm gonna do is put a rubber band on the end. Okay, so now what you wanna do to make it look bigger and more distressed is you just wanna pull at the ends of the braid and like use both of your hands and pull the braid at the same time. So you just wanna take your hand, grab both sides of the braid and stretch it apart like so. So you guys see what it looks like now. So if you want it bigger, you just keep going at it, doing the same exact thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I turned my lighting down just a little bit so you guys can see the hair a little bit more. So y'all, this is the finished result of my hair. I did the butterfly braids and I connected them in the back. It is so freaking cute. I love the way that it came out. Of course, all of the links on this hair will be listed down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. And also Black Friday is coming up, you guys, so do not forget to shop their sale. TinasheHair.com, I believe it is. And I will have all the information on this exact wig listed down below. But that is pretty much it for this video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.